If you are planning to purchase one of the latest iPhone, you should wait till 12/12 because they are bundling a 20-watt power adapter which you couldn't find in the box. But if the iPhone 12 series is not your thing, the Poco M3 can also be yours at a really affordable price of 499 ringgit during the 12/12 sale. To find out more about this 12/12 promotion, remember to keep watching. As part of Apple's sustainability efforts, the iPhone 12 series does not come with a charger inside the box. So if you need a charger, Lazada is offering a free 20-watt power adapter when you pick up any iPhone 12 series during the upcoming 12/12 sale. The offer is available for one day only via the official Apple Store on Last Mall on Saturday, which is the 12th of December 2020, and while stocks last. From the product page, Lazada appears to be bundling the official 20-watt Apple USB-C power adapter which retails for 99 ringgit. And to recap on its price, the iPhone 12 series is officially priced in Malaysia from 3,399 ringgit for the iPhone 12 mini, from 3,899 ringgit for the iPhone 12, from 4,899 ringgit for the iPhone 12 Pro, and 5,299 ringgit for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you have missed the first day sale of the Poco M3, Lazada Malaysia will be offering the entry-level Poco device this Saturday for as low as 499 ringgit, which is 100 ringgit off from its retail price. You can get the base model Poco M3 that comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage for 499 ringgit, while the highest spec variant is going for 599 ringgit. The special promo is offered via the official Xiaomi Global Store on Lazada Malaysia. From the looks of it, there is no yellow variant just yet, and you have a choice of either Power Black or Cool Blue. And as we mentioned before, you should beware of fake Poco M3 on e-commerce platforms. If the price is too low, make sure that the store is legit before you check out. Apple has officially acknowledged the problem of the iPhone 11, which affects touch responsiveness. And to solve the problem, eligible customers will be able to get their phone fixed for free, and that includes users in Malaysia. According to them, a small number of iPhone 11 displays may stop responding to touch input due to an issue with the display module. They've also added that touch screen issues affect devices manufactured between November 2019 to May 2020. If you're affected, you can check if you're eligible under the display module replacement program by entering your iPhone serial number on the web page. Even if you're not having the problem now, Apple says that the replacement program will cover affected iPhone 11 units for 2 years after the first retail sale. So that means if you have purchased an affected unit in May 2020, you can still get the free replacement until May 2022, provided that your serial number is listed and the phone is exhibiting the touchscreen problem. But do take note that this program does not extend the standard warranty coverage for the iPhone 11. Honor Malaysia has introduced a new Camo blue option for the Watch GS Pro, which comes with a military look. It retains the same price tag of 999 ringgit, and it has an impressive 25 days of battery life. This smartwatch is now available on their online store as well as Honor's experience stores. On the official online store, Honor is bundling an additional Honor Sports Pro wireless headphones worth 299 ringgit for free. According to Honor, the Camo blue variant is made out of high-performance and comfortable nylon instead of silicone materials. It uses dope dyeing technique to offer stronger color and enhanced resistance to wear and tear. They've also added that the process is more environmentally friendly compared to the typical dyeing process because it uses less chemicals and energy. During Saturday's National Security Council briefing, our senior minister has announced that inter-district and interstate travel restrictions for CMCO areas will be lifted starting today. That means Malaysians can now travel to other states without requiring a permit from the police. However, this excludes areas that are still placed under the Enhanced Movement Control Order. The minister added that there won't be any police roadblocks at the state borders. However, the police will continue to monitor for SOP compliance. This is to ensure high compliance among citizens to reduce the spread of COVID-19. However, do note that there are some state governments may impose their own restrictions and requirements for incoming visitors. It is recommended to consult the respective state health authorities for the latest procedure before making your interstate travel plans. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like our video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a brand new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!